Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to declare and use multi-dimensional array in your PHP code. So for example, you have some situation that you need to print out or you need to make a list of students uh, according to name, the student name, age and his weight. How can you do it using your multi-dimensional array? So let's see how we can achieve this, and let's see how we can declare the array for this multi-dimensional kind of array. So the declaration will be the same. I will just change this as students is equal to array and then bracket and bracket closed. But in here you need to change this because uh, what how will be your approach if you make this as a key? How will you provide the value for age and weight at the same time, right? So the approach can be different. For example, I can include array inside an array. For example, I can declare array, not here but here. So array inside an array, and this will be called multi-dimensional array, and I will show you how to use this. And I can add mark, the name, so I can add mark, and the age and the weight. Age is 15 and the weight is 46, for example. And the same thing I can do for this name, for John. I can just give John, and the age is 13 and the weight is 65. And same we will do for the name Tom, right? So you can do it like this. Tom, the age of Tom is 14 and weight is 56, comma 14, and this will be comma 14 comma 56, right? And this should be also comma, right? So in this way you can declare a kind of array, and to make it little bit clearer, I can just rearrange this like this. Okay, so you can declare an array like this and it will be completely valid. So when I just save this and run it, I will not see any error. That means this is not throwing any error. Now in order to print this kind of array, what you can do is you can just write echo, and then you just need to provide two square brackets because it's a multi-dimensional array. So we need to give the row and column index or column key of this array. So for example, I want to print mark, and row and in column starts from row and column key starts from 0. So the key of this row is 0, this is row 1 and this is row 2, and in the same way this is column 0, column 1 and column 2, right? So the key row of the mark is 0, right? And the column of mark is also 0, right? But you also need to give the name of your array like this, so you know that which array you are using. Let's try to print this, and you will see the name mark. In the same way you can print out all the values like this, and you can do it like this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for three names, and just notice here I have provided a semicolon here so they will not clash. All right, so I can say I will also give this concatenation symbol and give a break here so that everything is printed in this different line. br, and I will do the same for every code, right? So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 values, so we can also provide one more here. For example, 3 is here, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so let's print all the things 0 0, and then the row here is 1 and the column is still 0, so row 1 column is 0. In the same way, row 2 and column is 0 for the name Tom. Once again, if you want to print the age, the row is 0 and column is 1, so row 0 column 1, right? And in the same way, row 1 and column 1, row 1 and column 1, and row 2 and column 1, row 2 and column 1. In the same way, you want to print the value of weight, you just need to change it 2 to 2, and this will be 0 1 and 2. And when I save this and I run it, I will be able to see all the names and all the ages and all the weights. You can concatenate and make your own string. I'm just printing these names and ages and weight in a random way, but you can just arrange them side by side, and you will be able to see all the names like this. So let's arrange this. So now I have arranged them in a way that it will show in this format. Okay, so I will just save it and I will run it. It will show the name and the age and the weight, right? Now, for example, you can have a different kind of array. The second approach of using multidimensional array is like this. So let's see. So you can use associative array property. Right now it's a normal array, and how you can use associative array property to declare the same array. So for example, we can do it like this. I will just change this like this. Let me make it a little bit clearer. So I have told you in the last video, in associative property you can define your own key. So the key for this name can be name, right? I can just write name and then this equal to sign and then this greater than sign. In a similar way, I can provide the same key for other names, John and Tom, and in a similar way I can provide the key for the ages and the weight, but I need to change this to age, 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 and age, and this is weight, 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 and weight. So you can define these array like this using associative property. This should be name here and this should be weight here, right? So using associative property you can just define these array like this, and this is also purely valid, right? But in order to print this, what you need to do is you need to give the row number of this and the key of this, right? So row 0 and the key is the name if you want to print this. Okay, and once again row 0, you want to give the age, for example, right? So I will just write age here, and row 0, and you want to print the weight, so I will just give, instead of column value, you just need to give the keys. Okay, so same we can do here and here, and we can do for age we can do here and here, and for the weight we can do like this and this. I will make it a little bit smaller so you can see all the text at the same time, like this. Okay, and this is also totally valid. Let's check it, and it will print the same values, right? So in this way, also using associative array property, you can define multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, the other way, I think I've included both the ways, arrays and associative arrays. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.